In this video tutorial, we'll be taking a look at Year 7 directed number. So this is aimed at Key Stage 3 Maths, Key Stage 2 Maths, and it's also appropriate revision for GCSE Maths students and IGCSE Maths students, okay, or anyone that is trying to refresh their knowledge for maths, okay. We're going to start with question number 1. Use the less than or greater than sign to compare these numbers. -8 and 2. Well, 2 is bigger than -8, so it looks like that. -7 and -43. Now, the more negative my number is, the smaller it is, if that makes sense. So, -27 is greater than -43. Next question, 0 and -15. Well, 0 is clearly greater than -15. -15, okay, on my number line is on the left hand side. Okay, so imagine that this is the number 0, -15 will be somewhere here, okay, on my number line. Okay. This is question number 2, guys. The table shows the temperature in Warsaw at different times during the day. What is the difference in temperature between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m.? 10 a.m. is -3 degrees. 10 p.m. it's 2 degrees. So if I do 2, so if I find the difference, if I do 2 take away -3, well, that becomes 2 plus 3. Which is 5, okay? So the difference is 5 degrees. The next question, guys. The temperature drops 6 degrees between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. the next day. What is the temperature, okay, at 6 a.m. the next day? Okay, so if it drops, then it's getting smaller. So 2 degrees, subtract 6 degrees, is equal to -4 degrees. Okay, so if something drops, then it means I'm taking it away. Okay, so it's getting colder, okay, in like between after 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. the next day. So it's going to be like essentially like the coldest time of day, okay, generally speaking, okay, at night time. This is question number 3. Calculate a -5 -8. Well, that's -5 take away 8. So it's -13. Okay, because it's getting smaller, guys. Next question. 3 minus -2. Well, the minus becomes a plus. So it's 3 plus 2, which is 5, guys. This is question number 4, guys. Here is an addition pyramid. The number in each box is the sum of the 2 numbers below it. Complete the addition pyramid. So 2 plus -6 is -4. -8 plus 2 is -6. And -6 plus -4 is -10. Okay, because the plus and minus goes to a minus. So it's -6 subtract 4, which is -10. Okay, because I'm adding a negative. Okay, so if I'm adding a negative, then I'm essentially just taking it away. Question 5. Complete the fact family for the bar model. 5 times -4 is -20. -20 divided by 5 is -4. I can also say that -5 times 4 is equal to -20. And I can thereby say that -20 divided by 4 is equal to -5. Okay? So that's my answer for that question. Okay? This is question number 6, guys. A is equal to -3 and B is equal to 10. Find the value of the expressions. So AB in maths means A times B. So it's -3 times 10, which is equal to -30. Okay, because AB in maths just means A times B. A squared subtract B. Well, -3 squared is equal to +9. Take away 10 is -1. Okay, so it's 9 take away 10. And the 9 comes from the -3 squared. Okay, -3 to the power of 2. Okay, that just means -3 times -3. Okay, this is question number 7. Solve the equation 3a plus 9 is equal to 3. Well, if I subtract a 9 on both sides of my equation to balance it, I'm going to get 3a is equal to -6. Dividing both sides by 3, okay, because 3a means 3 times a, I get a is equal to -2. Okay, so I subtracted 9 first of all, and then I divided by 3, because 3a means 3 times a. Next question. Okay, let's just change the colour. -6 equals h over 3 minus 7. Well, if I add 7 to both sides of my equation to balance it, -6 plus 7 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to h divided by 3. So something divided by 3 is equal to 1. Well, if I times both sides by 3, that will tell me the value for h. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3. So h is equal to 3, or 3 is equal to h. Okay. Next question, guys. Take the expressions that are equal to 10. Okay, so square root of 16 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's not this one. So cross that off. It can't be that one because 6 cubed gives me a 3-digit number. Take away 8, I will still get a 3-digit number. This one, 15 take away 8 is 7, add 3 is 10. So that one is right. Here, using BIDMAS, so being careful here, 5 times 4 is 20, minus 10 plus 20 does indeed give me 10. Yes, so I can tick this box. Okay. This is question number 9, guys. Ricky says that the square root of 169 is 3. Shane thinks that this is not the only answer. Why might Shane think this? Because Shane might be thinking, if I square a negative, so the answer could also be -13. Because if I square -13, okay, it's -13 times -13, a minus times a minus, the sign becomes positive. So -13 times -13, okay, and you feel free to obviously check this on your calculator, is positive 169, okay, or if you insert the brackets around 13 and then you write the power of 2, that will also give me 169. So Shane is thinking about the other number, okay, because if I square a negative, I also get a positive. This is question number 10. Evaluate -3 to the power of 3. Well, that just means -3 times -3 times -3. And that gives me an answer of a negative, because I've got negative times negative, which is a positive times a negative, which is a negative. 3 3s are 9, times 3 is 27. So the answer we get is -27. Okay. Right, guys, so that takes us to the end of today's video. So I sincerely hoped you found it informative. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please press like. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. And lastly, okay, please turn on post notification by clicking that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and future videos for GCSE, okay, 9-1 maths for the higher foundation tier, okay, and also Key Stage 3 maths and the occasional Key Stage 2 maths, and even some A-level pure maths and A-level further pure maths. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.